Hello, creators! Today we're tackling a common editing challenge, removing the green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive in and make those backgrounds disappear. I've already added a video to my timeline that needs its green screen removed. First, head to the Edit tab to get started. Now let's work some magic with the 3D keyer. Navigate to Effects, type in 3D keyer in the search bar, and add it to your green screen video. To refine our green screen removal, click this button and select Open FX Overlay from the menu. This sets the stage for our keying process. Here comes the fun part. Head to your preview screen, click and drag a line within the green screen area. Watch as DaVinci Resolve works its magic, automatically removing the green background. If there's a slight green residual outline, don't worry. Head over to Effects and increase the despill option to 1. This will clean up any remaining green edges. Now that your green screen is history, you're free to add your background. Get creative and replace that blank canvas with your preferred video or image. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the green screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up,